Hey, what's going on, guys? The manufacturer sent me this 3-pack replacement mower blades for free so I could open it up and let you get a close look before you buy it. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut the package open here real quickly. Be careful because I can feel they are sharp. So pull that open. You can see the sleeve that they come in. So 3 blades wrapped in this pack here. Open that up. Slide that off. So there you go, 3 blades. They look really good condition. These things are super heavy, much heavier than I expected, so that's really good. I want to show you the blades on them. They are really sharp, so again, be careful there. I want you to see the notch there with the lift. And then I also want to point out the center hole here is a 5/8 inch hole. So, I mean, the quality of the blades is really good. It looks like a one-piece piece of steel or piece of metal here, so that's good. And then just the last thing that I want to show you is the actual measurement here. So grab my tape measure and oops. So it's about 24 and a quarter, almost 24 and a half. Oops, sorry. It's about 24 and a quarter there. And then the width is about 2.5 inches. So, if you need a good mower blade, you should definitely check these out. Just make sure you go ahead and look at the listing and make sure you have the right model. Look at the measurements that I told you and check your old blade. Make sure it matches the right specs there. And then, yeah, if you need a blade, just go ahead and grab one of these.